Greetings in the name of the Most High Yah. It's King Yedidia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And today we have a live trade going here on Nvda. So let me go back to the camera rollers and see what kind of relationship we have today. So today we have a higher value relationship. Let's see. R3 on Friday was 164.88, and today S3 is at 169. No, sorry. Let me back that up. Hold on. Right. Just so I could see that clearer. 169.09. So we have a higher value day where S3 is way above previous day R3, which is right here. So S3 is up here at the moment. And let's see. And price is actually hovering around S3 right now. Go back to the 5-minute chart. And let's see what I took here. I took like a upper VWAP breakdown. Because today is kind of like it's a typical day because we have a wide initial balance from here to here. So the open was kind of volatile. We had a wide price range movement, and now the responsive buyers came in at S4, which is right here, 166.81, and they pushed price back up into value, which is like in the middle of the price range right here. So they push it back into value. So if it's a typical day, we're not expecting a lot of price movement after the open. When we get all this price movement right here, you're not really expecting much movement. Like, let's say it's a trend day where it would just keep on going down, Today is not one of those kind of days. Well, it's more of a typical day that they call it a typical day where you just, after you get this big price movement, it just moves back into value, and you probably, the most you could get is like it'll retest like the initial balance high or the initial balance low, right? So right now I took a trade right here at the break of upper VWAP. Not really considering the camera rollers too much because they already played their part with the R3 rejection right here. Excuse me. So took this S1 breakdown, added to the position on the actual break of S1, and found some support here at the volume point of control. It pushed back up, retested S2, so I added to the position here, added again, and now we're in profit. So it's gonna move a lot down to my targets, or we're just gonna capture this. Well, I actually secured some profit here from the average price is 170.29. I'm at 169.33. So it's roughly like capturing a dollar move right there. So if we continue moving lower, then it'll be an even better day, So let's see what happens. Right now our relative volume is at 94%, which isn't too good. That means it's not really a lot of participation right now. It's only 94%. We should be having at least 100% or more if like people are really participating and there's a lot of volume. But today isn't really that much volume, I guess, 94% only. So let's see. And I actually have this chart right here. Shout out to Ed from Beable Traders. He's let's see, let me see if I could bring that across. 1 second. Yeah, I think I can. All right. So these are called linear regression lines, the purple and the blue line. So these are used to show where price rejects over these levels pretty nicely, you know. So you see we got the rejection right here at this linear regression here. We came back, we tested the bottom linear regression right there, came back to the middle, and now hopefully we get back to the bottom of the linear regression. And it's constructed on a 60-minute chart or 1 hour chart, you know. So it's pretty good for setting targets and stuff like that. So shout out to Ed from Beable Traders. He was talking about this one day in the chat room, and you know, I started implementing it, and it's good for setting targets and looking at where price would reject and stuff like that. So it's pretty good. Let's see, put that back right there. Hold on. Right, so right now the level 2 is looking kind of bullish, so I'm expecting price to come back and stop me out, and my stops are just above VWAP. So any retest of VWAP at 169.33 and I'll be out securing a $1 move. And looks like it's gonna be a green day today. So it's looking like I'm breaking my red streak. I had a little losing streak last week. I kind of capped that off on Friday. Had a break even day, slightly green. So today probably we're continuing this this profitable green day, you know. Hopefully we could keep it like that and just keep building on my strategy and stuff like that, you know. And today, honestly, this isn't a playbook I have. This isn't a strategy that I have. I'm just using basically like the upper VWAP and just understanding what kind of day the market is. Like it's a typical day, and it's probably gonna retest the lows or either retest the highs, and it's looking like we rejected when we get this right here. This was a good signal to go short, you know. Nice volume coming in as well. So I love those shooting star candles, and this is like a 3-bar reversal, you know. So we got the push up, got the failure. All right, let me clean that up. See, we got the push up right here. Damn them arrows, man. Let's see, let's try that one more time. Right, so we got the push up, then we got the failure right here, and then we got the 3-bar reversal, which is in line with upper VWAP. So I could have probably taken this a little earlier, but I waited for confirmation, you know, because it's not really like a trend day where you can just, oh, I got stopped out, man. I'm explaining stuff and I just got stopped out. But today is a green day, man. It's a profitable trade. So as I was saying, it's like I like going short. I'm a bearish kind of trader, I guess, especially in a bear market like this. And this is a nice little 3-bar reversal. We got the push up, we got the failure with a shooting star, right? And then we have this bar pushing down. I didn't wait for any more confirmation. Once we rejected that upper VWAP, lost upper VWAP right here, and then I just took it short right here. Wasn't really considering S1 at all. See S1 right here at 170.61, and it's like I said before, you know, it's at this point I'm not considering these middle Camarillas, because to me at this point with a typical day it doesn't really matter that much. It's either it rejects or it falls through these, you know. And so said, so done. They just fell through these two Camarilla levels here, you know. 169.85 is S2 and S1 is 170.61. So they didn't pose any threat at all, you know. But what really held it up is S3. Let's see. And S3 is a support level, so we could expect that, you know. And yeah, that's the trade, man. There you have it. It's your boy King Yedidia, aka King Solomon, staying wise in life and in these markets. And you all trade safe and stay blessed.